Good morning, viewers, and welcome back to a brand new episode on the London Wanderer. Today, we are at Canary Wharf, and Canary Wharf is one of the leading financial centers in London, alongside the City of London. Over 150,000 people work here. Canary Wharf has some stunning modern architecture, impressive public spaces, great transport links, and world-class shopping center, restaurants, bars, gyms, and other amenities. Canary Wharf is also home to the impressive Museum of London and Docklands and the Billingsgate Market. The excellent Mudchute City Farm and the O2 Arena and the attractions of Greenwich are also found nearby.